Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, all-wheel drive, lane departure warning, moonroof, dual airbags, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone. Your new ride is just a phone call away.